Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit your resume on Indeed in 2026. Yeah, whether you need to update your work experience or fix a small mistake, it only takes a few minutes. First, open the Indeed app or website and log into your account. You need to be signed in to access and edit your resume. Next, click on your profile icon and go to the resume section where your saved resume is stored. Now select your resume and click the edit option. This will open the full resume editor where you can make changes. First, update your personal details like your name, phone number, email, or location if needed. Next, scroll to your work experience section and edit job titles, company names, or dates. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Now update your education details and skills. Yeah, this helps keep your resume relevant for new job opportunities. After making all your edits, click Save to update your resume. So, your changes will be applied instantly to your Indeed profile. Once updated, your resume will automatically be used when you apply for jobs on Indeed. Yeah, this helps you stay ready for new opportunities. And that's how to edit your resume on Indeed in 2026. Hopefully this guide helped you update your profile easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.